Students, there is another problem. Okay, so this particular problem is little confusing, because all other whatever the problem we have solved, that is little easier. Okay, see this particular problem properly. So sometimes they may give this kind of problems for 12 marks. See, there are two partners in this particular problem, Josh and Krish. Okay, they are the partners and sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:1. So what is their profit sharing ratio? 3:1. This ratio is very important. Why? Because sometimes they'll give profits, but they will not distribute profit. So if they have given the profit sharing ratio, means we can distribute that profit. Okay, so if they have mentioned the profit sharing ratio, please see whether there is any items or whether there is any such things where profit are not distributed, so we have to distribute. So watch or see these particular problems very carefully. And then the capitals at the end of the financial year. See, very important. Capital they have given, but see, it is at the end of the financial year. So that means they didn't mention anything about the opening capital. So see, the closing capital at the end of the year is 1,50,000 is of Josh and 75,000 is of Krish. And during the year 2015 to 16, Joe's drawings were 20,000 and drawings of Krish were 5,000. So there is a information related to drawings, that is 20,000 and 5,000, which had been duly debited to partners capital account. Profits before charging interest on capital. So there is a profit, see, 16,000, which is not distributed. What we need to do? As per this particular ratio 3:1, we need to distribute this particular profit among Josh and Krish. Then the same had also been debited in their profit sharing ratio. See, they have said, right? That means we need to debit that in their profit sharing ratio. Krish had brought additional capital. So here only one particular partner has introduced additional capital of worth 16,000. Now what we need to do? Calculate the interest on capital at what? 12% per annum. This is the rate of interest. As there is no opening capital, the first step is to find out the opening capital. So after finding out opening capital, right, we can calculate interest on capital. So let us solve this particular problem. For solving this particular problem, what we need to do is statement we need to prepare. So statement showing calculation of opening capital. So write down, this is the statement. So in this particular statement format, will be having only two columns. In one column we are writing particulars, whereas in another column we are writing amount. So this is the particulars column and this one is the amount column. Okay, now what we need to do? You people know the format when the opening capital is given, right? What we used to do? We used to write initial capital on which we used to charge interest. Then we used to add additional capital on which we need to do what? Charge interest. Then that will be added and drawings will be deducted. Then we used to get what? Closing capital. Now what we need to do? We are having closing capital. That means what? We need to do entire ulta process of whatever we used to do in earlier classes, right? Here that means for closing capital is the first thing we need to write, right? Then after writing closing capital, there is a drawings which they have given. Whenever there was an opening capital, drawings would have been debited. Now what we need to do? Everything is ulta here, right? That means drawings need to be added, whereas profit and additional things need to be deducted. So by that process we gonna get what? We are going to get opening capital. Understood, right? So see the thing. First what we are writing? Closing capital. So capital at the end of year. So here there are two partners, right? Namely Josh and Krish. Josh and Krish. See here, capital at the end of the year. What is the capital of Josh? 1,50,000, right? 1,50,000. Then another one's Krish, 75,000. So now, earlier drawings we used to deduct from opening capital. As this one is the closing capital, we have to add drawings. See whether they have given information related to drawings. Yes. 20,000 is Josh drawing, 5,000 is Krish. 20,000 Josh, 5,000 Krish. Now add this thing. So from 1,50,000 we are adding 20,000, means we are getting 70,000. See first whether it is right. 1,50,000. 1,50,000 plus 20,000. Yes, we are getting 1,70,000. Then 75,000 plus 5,000, 80,000. So right now, here as it was a closing capital, drawings here are added. So entire process which we used to follow while doing the problems, when the opening capital they used to give, we need to do ulta of that, entire opposite thing. So to get opening capital, whatever we used to deduct, we used to add, and whatever we used to deduct, whatever you used to add, those things we need to deduct. So this one is the closing capital. Drawings are now added. So what other information they have given? So they have given information related to profit. So now what we need to do? Profits are need to be deducted. Share in profit. So how much is the amount of profit? 16,000. And what is their ratio? 3:1. See here. 16,000 into 3:1 means 3/4, particular ratio of Josh. Then Krish, 16,000 into 1:4. So 16, if you are calculating 16,000 into 3:4 means we are getting 12,000 as a Josh profit or Josh share in profit, whereas 16,000 into 1/4 means 4,000 is a Krish share in its profit. Okay, now what? Profits are deducted. So after that, now deduct 17,000 minus, sorry, this one is 1,70,000. Okay, 1,70,000 minus 12,000, that will be 1,58,000. Okay, then from 80,000 deduct 4,000. So we are getting how much? 76,000. Now whether there is any other information? Yes, there is an additional capital which was introduced on October 1st, right? So here what we need to do? This one need to be deducted. See, additional capital. Introduced by whom? Krish. The second partner introduced on date 1/10/2015. So how much is that additional capital? Right here, 16,000. Okay, now we need to add, as here nothing is there, 1,58,000 will be the opening capital. Then add 76,000 plus 16,000. 60,000 will be, sorry, we need to deduct, right? 76,000 minus 16,000, that will be 60,000. So this particular answer is the result, right? So this one will be called as what? So this one is the opening balance. Now we got opening capital. That means what? We can prepare or calculate interest on capital. Now what we need to do? Calculation of interest on first partner name Josh Capital. Josh Capital. So what is the initial capital? This one is the initial, right? 1,58,000. So how much is the percentage rate of interest? 12%. So write 1,58,000 into 12 by 100. We are getting 18,960. Okay. This one is the interest on additional capital. So this one is what? Interest on Josh Capital, as there is no additional capital introduced. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to calculation of interest on Krish Capital. So what is the initial amount? We have already calculated. The initial amount is 60,000, right? Write down 60,000 into 12 by 100. So calculate 60,000 into 12 by 100. Okay, we are getting 7,200. Here there is a additional capital, right? Additional capital. So when it was introduced on 1 October 2015. So how many months? October, November, December, January, February, March. 6 months are there. So write the additional amount. 16,000 is the additional amount. 12%. Then for 6 months. So now calculate 16,000 into 12 by 100 into 6 by 12. We are getting 960. So add this 7,200 plus 960. We are getting 8,160. So this one is the interest of whom? Interest on capital of Krish. Okay, so this is the manner in which we need to calculate interest on capital. So they will not give easier problems always. So easier format means what? So in easier format there will be, first there will be initial contribution, so on which we are going to calculate interest, and then there will be additional capital on which we are going to calculate interest by charging rate or percentage. Also other things is what? For how many months remaining, or for how many month it was there in a business, or it was used in business. For that many months we are going to calculate additional interest or additional capital's interest. And after that, if there is any drawings, we used to deduct the interest on drawings, right? So this was one of the easiest format. In some problems they will not give the initial capital, wherein we need to do what? We need to find out the opening capital, right? By writing statement in which we are writing the closing balance first, then we are adding the drawings, then deducting the additional capital as well as profit. So this is the methodology we are using in order to find out what? Interest on capital. So in this particular chapter 3 things are over, right? So about other things we are going to study in next class. Thank you.